Hello all, welcome to our organizational Ikigai workshop on the Hitchhiker's Guide to Network Organizations. So we all know the process, so I'm going to skip that part for the recording, but we're going to start off by talking about what is this Hitchhiker's Guide to Network Organizations to get us a grounding, get us a framework about what we're trying to do. So network organizations. Who are these network organizations? They're communities, projects, DAOs who build on the network, who build on blockchains. They're global, remote first, and they have voluntary participation. So some examples, who are these guys? Us, Littlefish Foundation, we're a network organization. C4C, that's a network organization. Catalyst Swarm, Gimbal Labs, and maybe even, when you think about it, maybe Project Catalyst is a network organization of its own. So that's what we're working on. What we're doing with a few of our proposals, it has been working on this vault. We are collecting. Been doing quite many things. We've been doing some wallet reviews as part of it, because if you're working on the network, you need to know your wallets. You need to know which ones. We've been creating guides for these network organizations, like issues in decentralized organizations, such as onboarding. How do you do that? How do you do other things? Those kinds of guides, those kinds of investigations. We're also doing guides for like the workers themselves. Like you need to be self-managing in this environment. How do you do that? Many of the tools we use, like Discord, they have some common issues that can be circumvented if you use them well. So managing Discord overwhelm, that's been a guide that we created. And we've been doing some research on which tools can enable this type of work. And this is what we've been doing so far in relation to the Hitchhiker's Guide to Network Organizations. But that's just what we've been doing so far. So when you try to answer the questions in this session, please keep an open mind. This is not all that we could be doing. Remember, there are no wrong answers. So we're going to try to get as many divergent answers as possible during this workshop. And two more things. Anywhere you see the guide in one of the questions, that means Hitchhiker's Guide. It's just a abbreviation. So it's the thing that we're working on. And our big goal, what are we trying to achieve with these organizational Ikigais, is this. We are exploring our options to become a sustainable enterprise in 2023. And this, our organizational Ikigais, is our first step in setting a strategy that allocates our finite resources to achieve our goals in 2023. All right. Before we get started, any questions? Oh no, that's the wrong one. All right, so this will be some parts of it will be silent, and if you do have any questions, please you can ask, but we will be working mostly in silence while we're answering. So we're at the stage 1A. We're answering the questions on the part what the world needs and what the organization needs. So please all drop in there. We're going to have 6 minutes. And if you have any questions about the questions themselves, please ask ahead. All right, we're getting started. 6 minutes. Let's go. And it's okay to order them on the left or right side. It doesn't matter. But make sure the left side and right side are about the same thing.
Yeah, I'm also putting like random headings. Like if anyone wants to, they can totally change the headings.
All right, we have 2 minutes. Looking nice. All right. I think we're done. And if you want to move anything out of one row and put it on another to make them make more sense, that's totally okay as well. Nice. All right. So how many votes you guys think we should have? 11, 13, 15? Throw out a number.
I like 11. Somehow 11 was good.
All right. So we're going to have 3 minutes to vote on as many of them as you want. If you like one thing, you can just put 11 votes on it. It's up to you. So we're going to have 3 minutes to vote. And if that time won't be enough, we'll increase it. But I suggest not starting at the top or the bottom, but start in the middle because that's the bulky bit. And go now.
And how do you vote?
You join the voting. Is it all clear?
Do we vote on individual things or the higher
Yes.
categories? Yeah. Let's do individual.
You vote on the individual things.
Cool. Thank you.
No problem. And the question we're trying to answer with all this is, what does the world need? What does Littlefish Foundation need? So what do network organizations need? We have those questions on our mind. And some of these are negative, like not having enough time to contribute to all the communities. That's not what the world needs, but that gives us the problem. So it's okay to have the negatives as well. You can vote on the negatives.
So solving that negative.
Yeah,
Be the
exactly.
world need.
We'll probably need a bit more time, so I'm gonna increase that by another minute. So we have 4 more minutes to go. All right, now that we all have the votes, what we're going to do is I'm going to copy this over to the next area. So we're at 1C now, and I'm deleting all the tags. Oh man, we're gonna have to sort it all out here, I guess. Oh damn, that sucks. Sorry, bear with me for 1 second as I get this sorted out. So we're back on the 1B area. I'm gonna move everything we have here to 1C and confuse you even more. There we go. Hopefully that was all of them. It's these guys. So
Serkan, by the way, we have 5 nodes. I'm sorry, 6 that have 5 votes.
yeah, so you put them all on the row that says 5, and then you put all the ones at 1.
Okay.
You put all the ones at 2, and so on. And we have 3 minutes to do this. So let's get going, guys. Let's get some Sunshine Jam in here.
Yeah.
And after we put them on on that row, what we're gonna do is we're gonna scale all the results to match the size of the post-it there. That way we will know more people voted for that option.
Isn't the voting anonymous? Like,
Yes.
by the way, I voted on one card that said the use of technology to work better together. And it was not my tag. And it got only one vote. So the person who wrote it didn't vote for himself. That's
Yeah, that's okay.
so why would whatever? It's not.
And we put everything else on the bottom row. So those as well.
Donald's confused. He's like, what? That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, like isn't it?
things are gonna be like, there's gonna be paradoxes, man. There's gonna be paradoxes.
Guys, we still have some post-its. Put them on the very bottom row. That is very, very small. Just look at that
It's
zero. It's so small.
Zero votes.
Those are all the
Hey,
things.
how do you do that? How do you do that thing where you highlight
Oh,
a
man,
bunch and
I'm
do
gonna Google that right now.
to do them all together? I think it's like,
Yeah, sorting them out on the go, right? We should definitely
Yeah.
learn that right now.
oh, interesting.
Oh man, I don't know.
Yeah, there was a keyboard shortcut for it. It was like something, but yeah, we'll find it.
Now there's the align one, align left. No?
It was something crazy like make pretty or something. It was,
Nope. All right.
it's all good.
So we're done with that part. What we're gonna do is we're gonna scale all of these to the size of the post-it that there should be on. So fives get big. So pick a row and make it big. Make it as big as the post-it that is next to it. It's the number. Doesn't have to match 1 to 1, but there you go, guys. If you all work on it together, we're gonna get through it much faster. Or Harsh's, what is that magic key that you used? How'd you sort them all? Tell us, teach us.
I just use shift and just randomly press stuff.
How'd you get them sorted, man? They're all in this. Anyway, okay. We're done with the first part. So we're gonna jump into part 2 on what we love. Gonna answer some questions. The 4 questions we will be answering are: what about working in network organizations appeal to you? What would make you excited to contribute to the guide? What would you like to see as part of the guide? And what would the ideal guide look like?
Rakan, we are not seeing the screen you are sharing, by the way.
Oh
No?
yeah.
What are you
Switch
We
up.
are stuck
Yeah.
in some. Okay.
When you were doing that Google search. Yeah, there you go.
I'm on the wrong one. Yeah, okay. So this is where we are now. Jumping in, then we have 5 minutes to work on this. So everybody hop here.
What we love.
So what are we going to do? I
We are
didn't get
answering
that.
the questions
Ah,
here
so that's
and
it.
for the
Okay.
next 5 minutes. And we're starting right now. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
I feel like it's the end of the game show. You know, it's just like, oh,
I feel like it's the end of a quiz, and I was
Yeah.
checking the right answer.
yeah. Oh, what's the next step here? Read all these things.
Khan, you're muted.
Thank you. So next step, we're at 2B. We're going to sort them into 9 rows of similar items, and we're going to stack duplicates or very, very close items. So if you see 2 things that are so similar, stack them on top of each other. And we're going to get started. We have 8 minutes. Or you know what? We're going to do 6 minutes because we don't have that much time. So let's go. Let's get some smooth groove. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Donald, can you tell us how you do that?
When you select all of them in top right, you are gonna see some thing, only one thing. Click on it and pull it like from the direction you want to extend or narrow it. Did you get it? Like
Oh, I see many things when I select them.
no, you see
You
the
when you're
thing
muted.
that is gray with 4 little dots. No, not that one. The one just
Yeah.
above the frame.
Oh, this one.
Yeah,
That's the
pull it
one.
now.
Ooh, okay, I see.
And that's one of the reasons why I like working with a big group of people. We don't need the internet when we got Donald.
Yeah.
Thank you. Actually, I know it because I prepared the Miro board document for the Vault, and it is there.
Nice.
Yeah, Curtis, like, don't Google.
Buy it. That's you, man.
All right. Do we need any more time to take a look? Group them? If not, we will go on to the voting stage.
Voting.
I'm gonna copy paste it all over here. All right, I'm at 2C now. I'm moved to the next area, and we're gonna do the voting here. How about can we get these all a little bit more closer? Do you know how to do that, Donald? Ooh, no,
Oh,
no, that wasn't it. All right, whatever, we can vote.
You can extend the square that you select them, and then you would space them evenly.
What about the vertical space between them?
Let me try it. So doing this one and then up.
Make sure, no. We don't want to lose the rows. All right, we will do 11 votes. We have, let's say, 3 minutes. If you feel like you're running out of time, say it and we'll add more time. And we're gonna go now.
and we're asking the question. We're answering the question.
I said no votes counted for me. For some reason, it didn't count any of my votes.
What? No? Didn't?
No.
Curtis, you have to press finish on voting.
Yeah, well, the timer ran out right as I was clicking my last one. So then it just
Oh.
removed all my votes, I think. Same here. Oh, well.
Oh,
Oh.
man.
Yeah.
If that is the
Oh,
case,
good.
I
Now we
made
have
that
all the
mistake as
power.
well.
Yeah, I
Because
thought
I wasn't
I
finished
didn't know you
either.
had to. Yeah, I didn't know you had to press finished. I thought it just collected them.
Curious, you sure none of your votes were counted?
I mean, it told me that, but I
told you that.
don't know. I don't know
Oh.
how to be sure, but it said no votes counted. Let me see. Let me check if there's one that I voted on that nobody else voted on. Yeah, I don't see my votes.
Okay, we're gonna do a
Let's vote
little
again.
dip on this one. Let's gonna do
Yeah.
it again. 2 minutes though. So
Yeah.
get ready. It's gonna be a quick one. 11 votes, 2 minutes. Get ready. We are a go.
Make sure you click I'm done pretty soon.
Yeah, I'm in there. Yeah, don't delay. 5, 4, 3, do it now.
All right, the results are in. And I'm sharing the wrong screen. So we know what to do. Here we go. See all results. So so we know what to do. We're just gonna put them all on the row that has the number. So let's go, let's do it. We don't need a timer for this. Whoa, I just got really lost.
We are very decentralized, you know, this is too much decentralization, I guess.
How come?
We have a lot of ones and twos.
Well, that's good. We have a lot of different opinions.
Oh yeah, there is like a distribution there. Yeah, sure.
Great. Now let's try to make them match the size of the post-it. Wow, a cool website got the biggest vote.
I basically influenced it. I gave it 6, so
You did.
So you rigged the election, huh?
it's my vote, my right.
That is true.
Is that plutocracy at work or?
You know, I haven't voted once in my life until now. Actually, and I have a very sentimental connection with that. When I had the required age for voting, I left the country. So yeah.
All right.
So I'm going to select multiple, use the little handle in the corner, line them up, and
Very
then
nice.
grab the resizing corner and size them all at the same time.
All right. Now we're going to jump into part 3, where we're going to answer the questions about what we are good at. You guys ready? We have 5 minutes starting now. Get ready. We need to pick up space, guys. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, this music. Oh man.
All right. Would you like some more time? Maybe 1 more minute?
Yeah, yeah. I could use a minute.
Let's go. Let's have 1 more minute.
Yes. This is like the lounge after that dance thing when we've got a little lounge music going. It's just to chill out. Just get to let the drink settle in.
Mm. Nice. All right. I'm gonna copy everything down. Let me know when you're done.
Hands off the keyboards.
Okay, if you need more time, I'm gonna add 2 more minutes.
Don't do it. No, 2 more minutes.
Okay, let's go.
I'm getting punchy. Oh man, I want to get it. December's kicking my ass.
Looks, I see you were working on something. I'm gonna copy that over as well. Okay, let's get these sorted, you guys, and I'm gonna do a little adjustment on this right here to make it real small so we can see everything on the same part. Let's go. Let's get it sorted. We have 8 minutes. We have a lot of time for this. Well, I'm gonna put 6 minutes instead. Let's have that continue that chill music. Let's get it all sorted. Or let's try to break up this long one into 2. Are there any common threads there?
Well, maybe we can split it between the synchronous and asynchronous. So creating content versus holding meetings.
Yeah. Can we do it like that? Let's see, guides, right? Uh, Uh, somebody stole my name and wrote, I didn't read it on this post-it. That's not me. Oh man.
Yeah, I've been trying to understand how Miro does this. Because if you clone someone's post-it,
It should change, shouldn't it?
I'm not sure.
All right, I think we're done. Gonna stop that timer. Let's go. So gonna copy all of this over to 3C so that we can come in and vote on all of it. All right, we have 11 votes and 3 minutes to take a read through and then vote on all this. And starting now.
These are the things that we're good at.
Yes, these are things we are good at.
Or that we
All right, the results are in. So by this point, we all know what to do. Let's get these sorted, guys.
Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Oh, okay. If just as a point, if you've clicked off of the voting, you can go in the voting tab, like, and you don't see the numbers, you can
Mhm.
click on the voting tab and it'll bring up the numbers again.
All right, sweet. Oh, we got votes on almost everything this time. Cool. Let's make sure the sizes match the size of the post-it next to them. All right. And now we're going to jump into the final one. Then it's the fun part, the Ikigai, working on the Ikigai. But we won't have much time to work on that, but it's okay. All right. Ooh, some things ended up here. How did that happen? These are supposed to be here or something. Okay. 5 minutes. What can we be paid for? And if you like, we could take a 5-minute break and come back.
It might be good. Yeah, yeah.
Let's do a 5-minute break. I'm gonna open up this chill beats for that, and then we'll be right back at it.
Okay. Thanks, y'all.
Just a short break. Here we go. Newman, there's some feedback coming from your end. I'm muting.
Thank you.
I'm going to add 2 more minutes.
Guys, I don't really understand when it says if we did this in the next 6 months, we could be bringing in revenue.
Yeah, so if there are anything that we would be doing that we could be doing in the next 6 months that we could bring in revenue.
Like new products and services.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Or what would we have to do in order
I
to enable?
think, yeah, what Randall said. So no new product, right? Like I can say here, like, let's make ice cream.
Well, you can. Why not?
No, I'm saying like it need to be based on the guide,
Oh,
right? Like,
Well, hopefully, yeah.
okay.
But feel free to push the boundaries. Like if you want to connect ice
Think
cream making
outside
with
the
the guide,
box.
yeah, feel free. No problem. All right. I'm gonna copy it all over. By this point, we all know what we're gonna be doing. Let's get started. I'll give 6 minutes for this. I'm gonna change the music. Let's get some cosmic vibes. We didn't do that yet.
Shitcoin chain is like a joke, right? Like the bad
any other-
blockchains. It's not a real thing.
Anything that's not Cardano or Bitcoin
Okay.
is a shitcoin.
Cardano or Bitcoin. Oh man.
Yeah, because
Here's my
Bitcoin
hot
is your
take.
yeah.
Here's my hot
Bitcoin,
take. Bitcoin is a shitcoin. Let's go.
yeah, okay.
Database API, like what was that intended for?
Just put it where it makes where there are similar things.
Is that to do with the Compass project or?
You
You
know,
can go above. See, database API is
Knowledge
connected to what products or services we can offer. I think. No.
Okay.
I love the
Yeah.
idea.
I actually couldn't find it. So don't
It
know
just
which
got
one is
moved.
connected to.
It just got moved. But yeah, for like Catalyst information, we've had talks about database APIs so that, you know, Lido Nation and QA DAO and all these other decentralized groups can display the same information from a single source. So it definitely has its value.
Hmm. And what type of data are they thinking about?
Catalyst stuff, you know, proposal information, fund round challenge settings, protocol parameters,
Yeah.
where to find, you know, all these projects that are proposing and just like-minded, so challenge setting essentially, groups and really just all the Catalyst information as much as possible.
Hmm. Let's get them sorted into 9 rows, guys. It's okay that if somebody put them all on the same row, feel free to change them if you don't feel like that's where it should be.
like we did before, if there's too many on a row, maybe we can look and see what the breakdown is. Seems like there may be some technical, like Saga NFTs and database APIs and sense making sessions.
Yeah, just go
Like-
for it.
Yeah.
Whoa, the top one is really long. Yeah. But the key thing is we group them, guys, not that they look pretty.
Come on.
Key thing is grouping them. That's the exercise.
I have an obsessive
I know,
compulsive.
It's just how we do
tutorial.
it. It's just how he does it. It's just how he does it.
If it's not a problem, I would like to do it.
I'm gonna annoy Donald.
So these are oh.
Yeah, I'm closing the screen. It's impossible.
All right, I think we got it more or less covered. It's time to take a vote. I'm gonna move all this. We're at the final part, 4C. All right, you guys ready to vote? 3 minutes, 11 votes, and go.
Here we go.
Let's go. This is the last bit. And after that, we have the Ikigai. And we are looking for an answer, what we can be paid for. So anything that helps with that, anything that pops out to you is important in relation to that, feel free to vote for that one.
Doing that. Ooh. My first time voting twice for the same one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, here we are, last 30 seconds.
Thanks.
Five.
Thank you. Boy, that was timely. Get him in there. Come on.
All right, now we have the
Look
results.
at this. Look at this.
Lots of sixes. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's get
Oh.
them sorted, guys. Let's get all those sixes together.
I'm gonna stay away from clicking on things. My Miro's got my PC at 99%.
Well, this board is a bit chunky. It is getting chunky now because we're filling it up with all these Ikigais.
So do you feel like if you stay zoomed in, like it's like when I do the big overlook is when it starts going, oh, let me chew up your RAM.
Yeah, I think there's a bit of scope in what it has to load, but there's a delay too, right?
Right. Check this out. Oh yeah.
Let's get them sizes.
Whoa, that's not gonna work.
All right, okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the top, let's say 4 rows of each of the answers. And then we're gonna copy paste them into the Ikigai board where they should be. And I'm gonna use 1 extra row for what you're good at because there are less answers in the top rows. Confused the two. Okay. Now we're at the right hand side of the board. So join me at the Ikigai board on the right hand side. So we're almost out of time. We do have another call right in 10 minutes. Our lawyers will be joining us to tell us about earning from Catalyst. So we have to jump through that. But we have a bit of time before that. So our exercise now is to kind of see where the common points are and move the post-its to where those common points are. So just take a look to all the areas that that exist out there, and maybe I should give the guidance here. Okay, so our exercise is to cluster things that are very similar together. If ideas are from 2 different areas, so if it's one from what you love, one from what you're good at, you put it on the intersection. They don't need to match one-on-one, but if you feel the ideas are connected somehow, so one could be a justification for something else, you put them together. One could be a similar idea, connected idea to something else, we put them together. And if there are any ideas that are missing from the board that you feel should be on here, should be talked about, you put them to the free area outside of the circles. And that is what we will be doing for the next 8 minutes, I guess. Any questions? All right. Let's do that with Sunshine Jam. Or maybe we can have a discussion as well with this. I'm not sure. It is a lot of reading, I guess.
So would it be interesting if we don't resize anything now? The size of
Yes,
them.
we don't resize them. Don't
Yeah.
resize anything. We want the sizes to exist there because it gives us a lot of information about what we agree on. Oops. No. Don't resize, please.
We're listening to Newman Radio.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. If you come to my house, this is the jam. It's on all the time. Making breakfast. Yep. Getting ready for the day. Oh yeah. You know, you know, I just think of Jim on the keys, man. Who's my horn section? I wonder about the world needs. There's some that are phrased in a negative way, like the lack of ability to plan. Can we just change that over to
Yep.
the positive?
Go for it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm feeling like I need to place a lot of them in the Ikigai part because it matches to everything, the four
Yeah.
quadrants.
So does it have connections with other things? If they do, they all go together. So we know all the context.
So for
So it
example,
would,
creating customized organizational solutions is something that we're not that good at for now. So maybe I'll put it just on what the world needs. So it's like opportunity for growth.
Right.
no, so the exercise is like you need something from the what the world needs part to match with. So if you have both of those, you put it at the intersection. If there is no such thing, you it's just what we can be paid for.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
what post-it exists there to justify that idea?
Oh, so you need a green one to match with the yellow one.
Yeah, so maybe
Okay.
this matches with this, so these go together.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's good. That's good.
So okay.
We do something like this on the SWOT sessions. We would like strengths and weaknesses, and we try to match them together and even out.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if you have any feedback on the workshop session, I should have told this way earlier, but there's a feedback area at the bottom right. Please drop any feedback you have so we can adjust this workshop.
Yeah. That's an important part. The feedback. One of the things I really love about this, just as a point, is that we've really, over the last 6 months, like this process has changed so dramatically, and it's gotten like order of magnitude better. It's like a real thing. It's good. It's good and getting gooder.
Yeah. Iteration.
Yeah,
Well,
works. It friggin' works.
so with this
Uh,
this workshop, I went for more specific questions, and the result is more specific answers, which means it's more difficult to actually analyze.
Right.
So we definitely need more time to work on this part.
So again, the
Yeah.
middle section is full. Like I found two
Yeah.
that are
Right.
similar, but
and I'm not seeing any greens here to justify this, or purples, so they shouldn't be
Where?
there.
Sorry.
They shouldn't be there. They should be here.
Ah, okay, now I got it. That was my mistake.
Donald?
Yeah.
Are we good at database APIs?
I don't know what that means. Like,
It's like APIs to wrap databases that allow access to them.
Yeah, everybody's good at database APIs now. We got chatbot. We can just
are
tell them
we
to do it.
creating a database? Like,
It was a possibility for
I
someone who
have
took this product here.
no information. I'm sorry, like,
Okay, that's fine.
What I like about this stage is the requirement to link up, realistic perspective from each quadrant with realism from the other quadrants, because it counteracts optimism that's unlinked to reality.
Oh, that's very well put. Oh man. So we got about 2 more
Serkan,
minutes.
where should one green and one blue meet?
Where the green and blue meet.
Here? Nope.
No, up at the,
Well, there is that silly side of it. That you can put them where green and blue.
Oh,
kind of
okay, I found it. Here.
You would need to have a three-dimensional thing or
Yeah.
something.
Maybe a hologram would be good, like, it would really capture the essence of it. Maybe
We have
that's...
many things on workshops. So organization.
oh boy.
So the guys are meeting us in this Zoom call?
No, we will be jumping to the other one. So I should set that up probably.
I'm actually going to ask you if I can record that one because I'm really curious and needing to learn about the legal part.
We will be recording it
Yeah,
and putting it on YouTube. No worries.
great, great.
That's great. I won't be able to attend face to face, but I will pick it right up because I do think it's a super important part of us. All of us are getting a little cash and it's sort of figuring out the taxes and etc. So it's good. But I have to step off. I got the hard stop at the top of the hour. Super, super awesome. Love doing this work with you all.
So yeah,
See you,
to you
mate.
later.
we will
Bye.
probably do a
you.
follow-up session for this one to get it finished and look at
Excellent.
the fun part by the talking part. Right.
Yep.
Thank you guys for the session. I will see you all
Thank you.
in a bit.